Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check QR codes on iPhone, and here's how it is done. Before that, QR codes are great for quickly taking you to websites or product pages, and your iPhone has a built-in scanner starting with iOS 13. If you don't have that feature, don't worry, I will also show you a simple app that can do the job. So let us get into it. Method 1. Scanning QR codes with built-in iPhone scanner. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Here, make sure the Scan QR codes toggle is turned on. It should be green. This is the built-in feature on iPhones running iOS 13 or later. Now let us open the camera app. Hold your phone over the QR code and you will see the scanner pop up. For example, when I scan this QR code, it is prompting me to open a website, which is the URL encoded in the QR code. Method 2. Using a QR code reader app. For iOS versions older than 13, if your iPhone doesn't have the built-in QR code scanner, no problem. You can download a QR code reader app. Head over to the App Store and search for QR code reader. Download and open the app, and you'll be able to go to the home page. Tap the camera icon at the bottom and point your phone at the QR code. It will immediately scan the code and open the link. And that is everything you need to know about how to check QR code on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.